Alright guys, today I got this 2014 Jeep Wrangler here, and if you guys have an issue with the charging port, your phone, power outlet, there's few fuses, okay? I want you to first of all check all the fuses. Other than that, you're gonna come under this hood, you're gonna come across this cover. This cover usually pops in just like that. So to open this cover, you're gonna push here and push here, and you should be able to get this cover opened up. After that, you're gonna just yank it up, okay? And it's gonna come out of these slots. So all you're gonna do is yank it upward and it should come out. So there's a whole bunch of fuses for power outlet. So if you're gonna go through few, and you're gonna see there's a M6 fuse 20 amp power outlet, number 1 accessory. And then you have another one, M7 20 amp power outlet 2. If you keep going and keep looking, you will come across one more. I believe there's one more. I'm gonna figure that one out. Okay, M36 power outlet fuse number 3. Okay, so how would you locate this power outlet M7 fuse? M7, if you go into this over here, you look for M7, and we're gonna go this together. It's gonna be a little longer video than normal. M7 is right there. Okay, we're looking at M7 and M6 and M7. Okay, so the M6 is number 1, M7 is number 2. So M7 is right there, and let's see, where is M7? I'm sorry, M6. M6 is right below here a little bit. It's the second fuse in there. So M7 and M6 is there right next to each other. So if you look at these fuses in this manner, if you go over here, M7, the way this is sitting right now, you have your fuse box same way, okay? So pretty much you open it and you lay it down just like that. So M7 is 20 amp fuse. M7 here would be 1, 2, 3, 4th fuse, okay? You have 1, 2, this one is nothing is there. So this 20 amp fuse right there is M7, okay? M6 is right below it. As you can see, it's a second fuse, and there's one missing here. So this is J5 will be the missing fuse here. So J5, M5, M6. J5, M5, M6 is this yellow one. So yellow here and yellow there, okay? Those are the 2 fuses. All right, so we're gonna look for M36, okay? So 20 amp fuse, M36. M36 is right there. It's right close to M6. So pretty much it's the 4th fuse, 1, 2, 3, 4 in that little section. So right there, this yellow. So yellow, yellow, yellow. 3 yellow fuses right next to each other. So that's how you're gonna figure out the fuse that you need to. I would check them all, pull them out. You do have a puller here, fuse puller. Get good fuses and you pull it with this. Buy good fuses, guys. Don't buy cheap fuses, okay? And you pull out a fuse and you stick a new fuse in. It doesn't matter which way you put it, as long as you have a good fuse. Anyways, thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you guys, and see you on the next one.